my name is Carisha. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I hope that you will join the family and hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. I am super excited because I have a very special review of Raspberry Mimosa. I feel like I'm super late with my review because I've had this candle for a while, but it still is summertime and I could not let the summer go by without reviewing Raspberry Mimosa. So this review will shock you, so stay tuned. Okay, so I'm not going to reveal. If you've been to my channel looking at my reviews, you know that I rate my candles on a 100-point scale, 25 points for each category: wicks, throw, scent, and maintenance. So first we're going to start with a very important category, which is the scent. So for Raspberry Mimosa, we have sweet raspberries, rosé sorbet, a splash of champagne, and of course with essential oils. So Bath & Body knocked it out the park. It smells just like that. So for scent, I'm giving them 25 points. This candle smells absolutely delicious on cold. It smells like, have you guys had that Oberweis raspberry lemonade ice cream that they had this summer? I had that ice cream before I came home and lit this candle for the first time, and I'm like, oh my goodness, what is it? And I realized it smells just like the ice cream tastes. This candle smells so good and it's so super delicious. So for scent, I am giving Bath & Body 25 points out of 25 points. Now, next category is wicks, 25 points. So let's take a look at the wicks on that baby. Really pretty. As you can tell, not a lot of issues here. On this one here, we see a tad bit of mushrooming, nothing out of the ordinary, just a regular trim, which Bath & Body recommends anyway, will do. The wicks are not puny, so they're not drowning in the wax. You can tell they're not too thick. The wicks are literally candle perfection. Trim those babies up before I light it, and good to go. So, and that's not the case with all candles, because some of these wicks are fussy. So for wicks, I gave them 25 points out of 25 points. So far they're at 50 out of 100. Not bad. Now let's go to maintenance. Like I said, this candle was not fussy. There was not a lot of maintenance that I had to do to it. I didn't have to babysit it. I didn't have to cotton ball it. I lit it, and this baby was burned really well while she was lit. So for maintenance, I am giving Bath & Body Works 25 points out of 25 points. So far, this candle is at 75 points out of 100. Now, we come to the final category, and that is the throw. How well does this baby circulate the room, fill up the room, and just smell really good? You know, this is the category where most candles just fall apart because they have no throw. You light them in the room and you cannot even smell them. So I always light them in my bedroom, which is, I would say, bigger than, the average. But then I also light them in my bathroom because if it has a low throw, I can test it out in my bathroom. This is the category where most candles fall apart. But for the first time, in regards to candles that I've reviewed on my channel, Raspberry Mimosa is getting 25 points out of 25 points for throw, resulting in 100-point score. The first time on my channel that a candle has received 100 points. So, funny story, I was at the mall and they didn't have any of these out. And I asked, the sales lady, I'm like, do you guys have any Raspberry Mimosa? And she was like, yeah. She opened up the drawer. I think she pulled out 2 or 3. This is how much I love this candle. If I could get 10, I would. But I didn't. I just grabbed, an additional one. And then I got in line, and the lady that was at checkout said, I really want a Raspberry Mimosa, but you guys don't have any. I'm like, yes, they do. I'm like, she just pulled them out. Everybody got out the line and was running because that's what everyone wanted. So she did go to the back, and they had like 10 more. But Raspberry Mimosa is one of the best Bath & Body Works candles that they have come out with in a long time. So you're going to, if you like raspberries, champagne. I kind of get a little bit of a lemon smell, honestly, even though that's not one of the notes. This candle smells so good. I urge you, if you do not have raspberry mimosa, to buy it because you will love it. So 100 points out of 100 points, one of my top Bath and Body Works candles. And I'm guaranteeing that you will love this candle. So comment below and let me know, how do you feel about raspberry mimosa? Do you have it? How was the throw for you? Because some people said theirs wasn't a strong throw, which I just can't even understand, because this is the second one that I've lit, and they've had a very strong throw in my bedroom, which is rather large. So comment and let me know any other candles that you would like a review on, and please subscribe and join the family. And thank you so much for watching, and you have a wonderful day. Bye.